Beautiful babes, welcome in or welcome back. Y'all, listen, in this day and age, you can never be too safe. I have a little story time to tell. Probably will do it on my other channel, one of the other ones. But short story right here. One of my packages was taken off of my porch. Yes, in broad daylight. But I do have security cameras up. But guess what? I realized I need another one. And that's where this GNCC K1Pro outdoor cam is going to come in handy for us. Yes, indeed. Let's go ahead and unbox it and let's talk about all the details regarding this outdoor cam from GNCC. So here we go. We're just going to unbox this cute little cam with some very, very amazing features to it. So again, it is the GNCC K1Pro. What it features is 2K resolution and color night vision. That's amazing. With 2K resolution and 3MP lens, the GNCC Security Cam K1Pro will provide super clear day and night vision. Yes, that's what we need in this day and time. You got to be able to see both day and night, because as you can see, they do not run just because it's daylight, okay? It also features a 360-degree full view and automatic motion tracking. 360-degree, that's amazing. This security camera, the K1Pro, features a 355 horizontal, 110-degree vertical rotation range, which provides you with 360-degree all-around protection. When motion is detected, it will auto-track and record the human's video and send an alert to your mobile phone in time. Motion and sound detection notification as well is built in to this camera. The security camera, the K1Pro, will detect movements and visitors' motion and sound. It records videos to your cloud or the SD card, which you can purchase separately. Now, I did go ahead and set up my cloud subscription because that is where I want to house all of this. I don't want to miss a beat with this. And also, it'll send you an alarm notification via the app, which is the OCO app. I will demo all of this in the video as well. Now, 3 night vision modes and spotlight alarm. Okay, this is compact with everything that you need. 3 night vision modes for your choice. You get black and white mode, you get full color night mode, and automatic mode. You can set Security Cam K1Pro's floodlight to turn on when a moving object is detected in the dark near your home, front door, garage, or country yard, and so on. You also get in this camera 2-way audio and multi-user access. It's equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker that allows you to talk and listen to your baby, your pet, and drive away the uninvited guests. The OCO app allows you to create several family accounts and share K1Pro with your family and friends. And I mentioned regarding the storage, you can do the local storage using an SD card, or you can purchase your cloud subscription if you don't already have it. The security camera K1Pro allows you to check and play back videos anytime, anywhere, without missing any important details. And as you see, I have everything laid out here. So let's talk about what we have. These 2 stems here. That's the antenna in front of you there. And I'm just going to remove this protective sticker from the lens area right now. And let's check out what more we can see here as far as the features. So here we have the lens right in the center, and these are other lenses. Back here you have the speaker, and if I flip it over here, this is where you'll find underneath this area is the reset button and where you would put the SD card at. It was surprisingly easy to set up. Now it does have a really long cord on it, so you'll be able to plug this into the wall outlet, and you should have plenty of cord to run it from whatever area that you need, or use some type of extension if that is the case, if you need to do that. But the way I set it up, mine was simply I went and I did download the Osea app, and I use the QR code that's shown in the instruction manual to go ahead and set it up. And I just linked it to our Wi-Fi, which was super great. Anyway, that was so simple. And like I said, this is an amazing camera that is great for your home, and you can even use it inside. Here you'll see that I'm setting it up right now. I downloaded the app after using the QR code, and that was again super simple to do. Once I got it all set up, I was just able to see myself on the camera, which was so cool. I just wanted to test it all before I did anything else to make sure it was ready to go. And in fact, it again was simple, easy breezy to do. And I just want to say thanks for taking time out to watch this video today. If you're looking for a security camera and you want one that's affordable with all of the major features, and definitely has a built-in camera that you can visibly see what's going on in your surrounding areas wherever you have it, that picks up not only motion but as well as sound, then definitely check out the GNCC K1Pro outdoor camera. So that is it. If you're looking to secure your home with an outdoor cam, this one is perfect, simple to set up, as you can see, and just plug and go. You know, that is it, and you're already set up, and you can watch what's going on around your house any single minute of the day. Anytime you want to, just pull up the cam and you will be definitely clear, precise vision around your home. These are so affordable. You can put them on every corner of the outdoors, any place you want them. Check it on your pets, check it on the outside, check it out around the front door, anywhere. This is perfect for that, and we have the perfect spot, as you can see, for our little sticky finger intruder. Okay, that's how we do it. All right, GNCC K1Pro outdoor cam. Check it out. Amazon is the place to find it at. Affordable, much more affordable than any of them that you'll find out there, and the quality, heavy duty, able to turn as it senses motions, as it senses sounds. It will definitely keep you secure. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and check it out, the GNCC K1Pro outdoor cam. Get it today. Christmas is coming up. Birthdays are coming up. Who wouldn't want one of these? Perfect.